Did you know there's a built-in magnifier in iPadOS, which will let you view real-life objects at a much greater scale? To enable this accessibility feature, you need to go to Settings, Accessibility, and then tap on Magnifier. Toggle it on from here, and you can activate the feature at any point, no matter what you're doing on your iPad, by pressing the Home button 3 times very quickly. This will open up a sort of camera-like view, with a couple of key differences. On this screen you can change the zoom level in order to see things bigger or smaller, and you also have the option to apply some different colour filters as well. This can make reading documents, for example, slightly easier by reducing the white and black, which can strain eyes, and it can also make other objects more contrasted so you can easily view them. There's a padlock on this screen to lock your settings, that way it will remember your preferences each time you open Magnifier. To close it, simply press the Home button.